Hey, get him.
Ah!
Hey.
Oh, hi, Spider-Man.
Whoa, not okay.
What do you mean?
It's too violent.
What do you mean? There aren't any kids watching this, are there? Oh, wait.
I don't know.
Hey,
Hey,
Mr. Anonymous, you are not supposed to be a fourth wall breaker. It is exclusive to me and that crappy knockoff character from the Transformers series.
Okay, wanna make a team?
Sure, let's call it the Uncanny X-Force and let's make a
boom.
few $1 million off the movie.
Thanos.
Oh, it's Josh Brolin. Hi, Josh Brolin.
He's down, I'm pretty sure. Deadpool.
Oh, look, it's Jake Gyllenhaal. Get him! Hi-ya! Boom, 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 boom.
Gotta fight him.
Quick, get him! Brr, doo-doo, doo-doo, pew, pew. Woo, pew. Doo-doo, doo-doo.
Deadpool, get up.
Ah! Wait, what? Oh, I was in my subconscious in the other universe. Or should I say, Jurassic Park 2468. Subscribe to Jurassic Park 2468.
No.
Wait, this is a plug? Oh, yeah, and I'm canon in Mr. Anonymous 9 Times Universe, or whatever.
Are
Yeah.
you though?
Hey, isn't that